When some people think of gnocchi, they think of peeling potatoes.
Gnocchi. A South Florida chef prepares this meal without that tedious prep work. Here, we grab a bite with Belkis.
The chef, Luca D'Angelo, serving up Italian cuisine at Fratelli La Bufala on Miami Beach.
We offer very traditional Neapolitan pizza, pasta, and also main courses made of meat or fish. We operate as a family restaurant. People feel this incredible family feeling in all the interactions that they have with our staff.
Fratelli La Bufala opened as a family endeavor between a group of brothers from Naples, Italy. If you love pizza, they offer Neapolitan-style pizza baked in a wood-fired oven. And you can also find homemade pasta and dishes inspired from Naples and southern Italy. Stop by Fratelli La Bufala and check out the dish we're making today, ricotta gnocchi. Chef Luca starts by making the gnocchi. He uses flour, and instead of potatoes, this gnocchi is made with ricotta cheese. Add salt and a little water.
And then you start working it out.
Knead the dough until it's consistent, then wrap it in plastic and let it sit in the fridge for a few hours. When it's ready, Chef Luca cuts off a portion and rolls it into a log. Cut the log into inch-sized pieces. The gnocchi goes into boiling water for just a few minutes.
Wash your gnocchi, and when the gnocchi comes up to the surface, they are ready for being eaten.
While the gnocchi boils, Chef Luca prepares the sauce. Garlic soaked in olive oil goes into a pan. Then tomato sauce and cherry tomatoes. When the gnocchi is ready, it goes into the pan as well.
Now we add the two final ingredients.
Throw in some mozzarella and basil and stir, and now you're ready to plate. Finish the gnocchi with a little more mozzarella and basil.
Welcome to Fratelli La Bufala, Miami Beach. Here we are to present you our traditional recipe of ricotta gnocchi alla Sorrentina. Enjoy and buon appetito.
Oh, gnocchi, pizza, pasta, what could be better? If you want to try this recipe at home, check it out. It's on our website at WSVN.com. Click on Entertainment and then click on Bite. Live in the Newsplex, I'm Belkis Nure. Buon appetito.
You know, the universe invented carbs so we could eat them.
Yes. They're tasty. They
right?
fill you up.
I just say that to myself, make me feel better. Thanks, Belkis.